Hi, welcome to Ukulele Wales. My name is Rachel Webley and I love both the ukulele and the bass ukulele. So I'm actually a music teacher and I started off making ukulele play-along videos for our school club called the Ukulaliens. I have another ukulele channel called the Ukulaliens. If you haven't been there, I'll pop a link in the description below, but it's well worth checking out the ukulele play-along videos because they are brilliant fun. So I started the Ukulele Wales channel because people were asking me to make tutorials to go along with the ukulele play-along videos. But it isn't just those here on Ukulele Wales. I do lessons and tutorials for both ukulele and bass ukulele. I absolutely love electric ukulele too, so I have started doing some tutorials for those recently. There's loads of really useful ukulele information to do with accessories, reviews, where to buy a ukulele, even maintenance of your instruments. I enjoy doing ukulele vlogs, looking at various ukulele events, gigs and festivals. I run a series called Show Us Your Ukes, where I look at different ukulele collections from all over the world, and I do love a really good Rachel's Rambles, where I end up talking about all sorts of things related to both ukulele and bass ukulele. And I mustn't forget electric ukuleles, which I absolutely love. Both the solid body electric ukuleles and the electro acoustic ukuleles. So I look at instruments, equipment, amplifiers, and I love effects pedals. Even show you how to build your own effects board. If you'd like to support me and the channel, I do have a Patreon page. I'll drop a link in the description below where you can support me and help me grow the channel and make better videos, but also you can get exclusive benefits that are just not available here on YouTube. I also have a merch shop, a Redbubble shop, where you can get Ukulele Wales and Ukulalian stuff, t-shirts, mugs, etc. And it's another way of supporting the channel. Again, I'll drop a link in the description below. If you do want any more information, I have a website, ukulele.wales, loads more useful information on there. Thank you ever so much for all the support here. Every view, every like, every comment, every subscription, it really makes a massive difference. So thank you all. As always though, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.